Ito yung itsura ng aming hotel. Dito sa dining area, reception area. And that's the elevator up there. Yeah. Ganda. It's 6:30 at night here in Albuquerque. Kakain kami dito sa isang restaurant. Vietnamese restaurant ulit. Paborito. This is the place right here. We're gonna have to go inside this building. See? Ito yung itsura dito. Food hall. So,
there's also chicken tenders, tacos.
It's inside this place. This is a place. Baka. Makikita mo silang nagluluto dyan, oh. Ng aming fast food. Nasawa ko, nag-check pa dun sa kabila. May isa ring restaurant na rustic at isang tacos. So, American style?
Yeah, like
American food.
and like hot meat.
We got thin rice. Wow, you got 2 sandwiches?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
And I get some chicken wings too. Hungry. How cute naman. Kain tayo. Can you pass me a... Ito na yung asawa ko. Good? You're already halfway done. I haven't even taken a bite yet. I got food on. Did you get thin noodles? Chicken wings. Tapos na kami kumain. May leftover pa kaming dala. Kakainin namin tomorrow for breakfast. Painit. Nakatayo ako sa ilalim ng heater. Kasi nga, malamig dito. Doble na yung aking sweater. Oh. Malamig. Nag-aantay pa kami sa aking asawa kasi kumuha pa siya ng dessert doon. Hindi pa nakontento sa kanyang 2 sandwich. Andiyan na sa kanyang churro. Show me. What does it look like? Oh, okay. You happier now?
I'm happier now.
Balik na kami sa hotel.
Hey, I'm so
We're gonna have
excited
an
to
early
see.
trip tomorrow. We're gonna wake up at 4 tomorrow
You have churros
and drive to the Carlsbad Caverns. Okay, I think I'm gonna have a bite. Just a bite for
Careful,
me.
you're sick.
Just a bite. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing.
Careful,
Is that good? Really good?
Cinnamon, sugar. Oh, it is flour.
Oh, sorry guys. I'm not gonna have a time, but I have one.
It's good.
Sorry.
I could eat more, but I shouldn't.
Why? Because we're coughing.
And
Ito yung view namin dito sa bintana ng aming hotel. Kikita nyo yung interstate highway. And then dito sa kabila, meron din doon. Konti na lang yung traffic. Kasi gabi na dito. What time is it now?
8:30.
8:30 na dito ng gabi. Yun. Good night. Maaga pa kami bukas. Say good night.
Oh, good night.
Matutulog na kami soon.
Soon. Baboon.
Soon, baboon. Good night.